Hey Hydrohaven community, today we're exploring the magical world of hibiscus, those stunning, vibrant plants that can turn any garden into a tropical dreamscape. If you've ever wanted to add some serious floral drama to your outdoor space, you're in exactly the right place. Understanding hibiscus starts with recognizing the incredible diversity within this plant family. We're not talking about just one type of plant, but a whole ecosystem of botanical beauty. Tropical hibiscus represents the classic postcard image, those glossy large flowers you'd associate with Hawaiian landscapes. With blooms ranging from sunny yellow to deep crimson, these plants are absolute showstoppers. Perennial hibiscus offers a different garden personality. These hardy plants die back each winter only to resurge with incredible vigor in spring. Imagine massive flowers up to 8 inches across emerging from what seemed like dormant ground. That's the magic of perennial hibiscus. They're practically indestructible in zones 4 to 9, making them a dream for gardeners who want low-maintenance, high-impact plants. Then, we have Rose of Sharon, the versatile woody shrub that can transform your garden's entire landscape. Growing between 8 to 12 feet tall, these plants are natural privacy screens that bloom from spring through summer. Pollinators absolutely adore them, which means you're not just growing a plant, you're creating an entire ecosystem. Location is everything when it comes to hibiscus. These plants are sun worshippers, but each variety has nuanced preferences. Tropical hibiscus demands warmth and protection. Think containers that can be moved indoors during cold snaps. They're perfect for patios, poolsides, and spaces that need a touch of exotic flair. Perennial hibiscus loves moisture. Those low-lying garden spots that stay consistently damp, that's their dream home. Plant in spring to give these plants a full growing season to establish themselves. The reward? Massive, dinner plate-sized flowers that will make your neighbors stop and stare. Rose of Sharon is the most adaptable of the bunch. Tolerant of various soil conditions and capable of thriving in full or partial sun, these plants are the ultimate garden chameleons. Just give them space. They're not shy about spreading 6 to 10 feet wide. Watering isn't just about keeping plants alive. It's about helping them thrive. Tropical hibiscus needs consistent moisture, almost like a high-maintenance celebrity that requires constant attention. Check the top inch of soil regularly, and be prepared to water container plants multiple times weekly during summer's peak. Fertilization is where good gardens become extraordinary gardens. Start feeding your hibiscus about a month after planting, using a bloom-focused fertilizer. This isn't just nutrition, it's a bloom-boosting secret weapon that will transform your plants from nice to absolutely spectacular. Pruning might seem intimidating, but it's really an art form. Tropical hibiscus benefits from light summer pruning to maintain shape and encourage more blooms. Perennial hibiscus wants strategic spring trimming, while Rose of Sharon responds beautifully to late winter pruning. For those in cooler climates, tropical hibiscus requires indoor sanctuary during winter. Trim them back, wash off any potential pest hitchhikers, and provide a warm spot with indirect light. Don't be alarmed if they drop leaves. This is their way of conserving energy. Propagation opens up a whole new world. Those 6-inch stem cuttings taken in spring can become entirely new plants with some patience and the right rooting hormone. It's like botanical magic, one plant becoming many. Before we go, I want to give a massive shout out to our Hydrohaven community. If you're loving this deep dive into hibiscus, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss our gardening adventures. Growing hibiscus isn't just about plants, it's about creating living art, transforming spaces, and connecting with nature. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your green journey, these plants have something incredible to offer. Until next time, this is Hydrohaven, helping you grow one plant at a time.